Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fold a devil heart origami. We are going to start with an Origami Angel Heart first, because after folding this with just a few extra steps, we will make the wing into the horn. Also, at the last part of the video, I will show you how to fold this classic heart. The size of this paper is 8 cm by 8 cm. I have shared a video tutorial of the angel heart before, about 2 weeks ago, and you will notice that this one is slightly different than my first tutorial, because I'm adding a few steps to make crease on the side, so it is easier to fold later. Fold the edge to the center and just mark it. And then fold the edge to the crease you just made, the little crease. Like that. And then you only want to crease from the line here. And same for this side. There's a little crease mark. It's really hard to see from the camera. And then hold it down and crease from this line here. See that? And then same on the top edge. It's getting really hard to see. For the top side, you can just go all the way. Turn over. And now you will see this crease line, and when you fold this way, to make sure your crease line stop here. for this side. Because we have make a crystalline here earlier on, you just need to fold it down like this and squash for the corner. Flip the flap over, repeat on this side. And now you just have to reverse fold the edge here. Open the model a little bit so it's easier to do, and then close it back. Oops. So this is your angel heart. So you have an angel heart here. Now we're going to add a fifth step to make it into a devil. To make this, the wing, into horn. Turn over, fold the wing down like this. Unfold and open this up like that. It's like a squash fold. And how to put it in a card like this is basically you just kind of cut a slit like that. You got it. And now I'm going to show you how to fold a normal one. I kind of like this because it's like 3D, so it's the same, and this one works on both sides, so it's good to use as a bookmark too. like imagine this is your pages, so you could just mark it like that and it looked the same on both sides. From the edge to the center, and only crease, mark a crease here. And then you only want to crease from the line here to here. Repeat on the left side. And for this, you only want to crease from the crease line here to here. And same for this side. Turn this flap over. Squash fold here and here. Fold the corner down. And repeat on this side. And this is your heart. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.